guys, welcome back to our channel, welcome back to our YouTube channel. As you can see, mizigo imefika kutoka China and we need to unbox with you guys. Yeah, I hope you've been watching our videos guys. We are on the road to 6,000 subscribers, yeah. Ama munifikisha 10,000 you guys, yeah. So those who have been asking, are we still importing from China? Yes, we are doing that a lot. As you can see, there's a package that has gotten here and we need to unbox more and need to meleta. So mostly tumekuwa tukileta viatu. Yeah, but if you come to our shop, tuko located wapi? Tuko located hapa hivi town, Odeon Medical Center, that floor, shop number 40. Tuko na vitu mingi, hebu onyeshe. Tuko na bags. Tuko na bags, tuko na viatu. We have a lot of things for you guys. Yeah. So you need to join our WhatsApp group. You need to join our WhatsApp group. Yeah. So when you make after our WhatsApp group, you can join through the link. Yeah. Ama you can just WhatsApp our number, which is 0715 660 466. Ukiguza tu hiyo number inakupea link, unaingia kwa WhatsApp group. So we normally do pre-orders. Yeah. Pre-orders, if you are able to enjoy pre-orders by the you guys, they are the best because you're able to enjoy na unapata vitu kwa bei iko poa kabisa. So let us unbox this, and if you want to any inquiry ama training, I'm still doing that. So just join our group and talk to me there on that number, and we are going to talk together. We can take as much time. The TikTok and there's not to do it.
Miss Nika. What?
So guys, we had ordered this type of Naxaon for YouTube. We had ordered this type of shoes, guys. And
wow.
They look so nice. So they're in different colors. Oh my goodness. The quality is so nice.
Amazing. Guy.
Oh wow.
Hebu sasa Gloria Molero. Gloria akiona akiko supu. Iko supu.
So we had this color.
Gosh. You need brown, ama? Wow. Girls. Hiyo sasa ni tamu hata, eh? The same, yeah. Dark brown. Hii ni light brown. Hiyo ni black. Wow. Sio mbaya. It's so amazing. Vijana. Lakini brown imeniua. Hiyo brown iko tamu. Hiyo ni sasa. Hiyo ni kala. Hiyo dark brown ndio nangojea. Dark brown. White. Wenye wanampenda usafi. Gari unakaa tu nao kwa gari utoki nayo hata kwa
This shoe is so unique.
iko hakuna you are the first to wear.
These are new good info.
Unaletewa kitu smart hadi unasema wow. Hiyo dark nini yako hujaweka?
Kuna green?
Green sijaona. Hiyo ni special yako? Special yako? Mama, kama umeriwadiwa. Oh. Wow. Sneakers. Si iko under sneakers. Ni light. Sasa ni black. Woo! Wow. Acha tu kutoa hata. Kotamu, hiyo ni papo. Ni papo. Ni papo tamu. Kwisha abu jubu.
So guys, as you have seen, took how many minutes ago? As you can see, these are the items that have come. Yeah, so we had some pre-orders that were done in the group, so we're going to mark them according to the names. Yeah, so you might be wondering how long did it take for these goods to get here. So currently we are having a bit of delays, but I can say it has not been so long. It was, let's say, 45 days from when they were loaded in the container. Yeah, so they came via sea. Yeah, but if you want your goods to come very fast, you can use the airway. But as you know, via air it's more expensive than bringing via sea, guys. Yeah. So thank you so much, guys, for always watching our videos. Hit the subscribe button and follow us. Yeah, we're on the road to 6,000, as you said. Yeah. And if you want any consultations on how to do all this, please talk to me on my number 0715 660 466. You're welcome, and you can come shop from our shop.
Grace Import.
Yeah.
The shop name. Amazing.